Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're doing a gift guide for the holidays for the ultimate skincare lover. Now, these can be things that you gift to someone else who really enjoys skincare, or you can gift these things to yourself. What I think makes a really excellent gift for a skincare enthusiast is the Luna Mini 2 from Briogeo. I think that this is such a great kind of luxury gift to give to someone because it truly does level up your cleansing experience. It uses T-sonic pulsations in order to really deeply cleanse your skin, and also it's made of silicone, which means that it's ultra hygienic. You don't need to worry about replacing the head of it or anything because it's just one singular thing. It's rechargeable, which means that you don't have to be constantly buying and throwing them away, so it's great for the environment. It's just a really great gift. They come in a bunch of different colors that are really cute. I have the pearl pink color because I love pink. But this is a great gift idea for someone who's really into skincare but maybe doesn't own any sort of cleansing facial device. I think that this is the best one on the market because it's very gentle and it's super hygienic. So how you use this is really simple. You just apply your favorite cleanser to it and then you go in with it wet on your skin. You cleanse for about a minute and then the timer will tell you when it's finished cleansing. And then after that point, you just rinse the Luna Mini 2 and you rinse your face and you're done. So I really love mine. I will continue to use it. I've been using it for such a long time now, since August or September, I think I've been using it, but I freaking love this little guy. It's so cute and it just really carves out a really special time in my skincare routine to just solely devote that time to cleansing my skin. The next product that I wanted to talk about is the Fresh Enchanted Essentials gift set. Now this contains two really great products that I personally am a fan of. It contains their soy facial cleanser and also their lip balm. Now their soy face cleanser is one of my favorite cleansers of all time for ultra dry skin. This cleanser is super gentle. It smells really refreshing like cucumbers. I love the ingredients in it. I think they're really gentle on the skin, especially during this time of year where the weather can get quite dry and quite cold. I think it's really important to pay attention to what kind of cleanser you're using because cleansing can be a very damaging step in your skincare routine, because if you use too harsh of a surfactant to cleanse your skin, what you're essentially doing is stripping away a lot of the moisture and a lot of the oils from your skin, which can be very damaging to your skin barrier. So using a very gentle cleanser like the soy face cleanser, I think is personally very essential to having a healthy skincare routine when the weather is a little bit dry. The next product is not skincare, it's makeup, but it was just too good to pass up. I had to talk about it very quickly. This is the NARS Velvet Matte Lipstick Pencil Duo. These colors are freaking beautiful. I have tried all four colors that are available for purchase. Cruella, Dolce Vita, Damned, and Walkery. I don't know if I'm saying that right. I probably am not. But all these colors are freaking beautiful. All of them are a matte finish. They're really beautiful, really pigmented. They last a long time. They're not drying, which I keep talking about the weather, but the weather's really dry. You don't want to use a drying liquid lipstick or a drying lipstick on your lips because it's going to really dry your skin out and it's not going to be good for your lips. Your lips are technically a part of your skin, and so you need to pay a little bit of extra TLC to them in the wintertime. Also in the same category of lips, the Bite Beauty All Agave 3-piece lip care set. Oh my god, amazing. I personally am a fan of all three of these products. The fact that it comes in this really cute little kit is, I think, great for a stocking stuffer or a little gift to give to someone. Really, truly, the nighttime lip therapy mask is so incredible. It is my absolute favorite lip mask of all time. Nothing can top it. It's so thick, it's so hydrating, it's very creamy, and it stays on the lips for such a long time. I personally like using it either slathered on my lips at night in order to repair all the dryness in my lips from throughout the day, or I like using it underneath of lipsticks in order to prevent dryness from entering my lips. These are just really beautiful products. They're super hydrating. If you really struggle with cracking, very dry, very painful lips in the wintertime, this is going to be your savior. I guarantee it's going to work so well for you. Next up on the list is something affordable from The Ordinary. This is called the Daily Set, and it contains a squalane cleanser, hyaluronic acid, and natural moisturizing factors plus hyaluronic acid. Now, I've only tried 2 of the 3 products, but I have heard very good things about the squalane cleanser, so I think I can recommend this to you because everything I've heard about it is just so good, but I personally have not tried it. I love hyaluronic acid. It is really such an important ingredient for plumping up the skin and bringing a lot of moisture to the skin, because hyaluronic acid can hold an incredible amount of water weight in it. So in my, what is it called? 5 famous skincare ingredients, I talked about hyaluronic acid. So if you want to see more in depth about the ingredient hyaluronic acid and sodium hyaluronate, then go ahead and watch that video. I will link it down below for you to go check out. But this is just like a really great kit because it has like an entire like nighttime skincare routine. You have your cleanser, you have your serum, you have your moisturizer. The moisturizer is very good, I will tell you. It is not my favorite moisturizer for my dry skin. I want something a little bit more emollient, but it is very good. It's only $20, or I'm sorry, $19, which is like pretty affordable for skincare because most skincare products sold at Sephora are over $20. But in this kit, you get 3 products for $19. Next up, we have a hair care product, and this is the Briogeo Healthy Hair Game Kit. Now, if you watched my hair care routine, you will see that I love the Briogeo leave-in conditioner, the Don't Despair Repair Rosarco Milk Leave-In Conditioning Spray, and this kit contains that spray. It's actually a travel size, which I think is really great because, you know, a lot of us do traveling in the wintertime for like the holidays and for Thanksgiving and whatever, although Thanksgiving has passed by now. But for like the winter time in terms of like Christmas, New Year's and that kind of thing, a lot of people travel. And so this is a great travel kit. It comes with a full size Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask, which I actually love. I currently am not using it, but I used to use it and I did really enjoy it. It also comes with the Scalp Revival Micro Exfoliating Shampoo. Really good shampoo. It's just a little bit too expensive for me, so I personally don't use it, but it is quite a good shampoo. The Farewell Frizz Rosarco Milk Leave-In Conditioning Spray and the Farewell Frizz Blow Dry Perfection Heat Protecting Creme. These are amazing products. Briogeo is such a great brand. They truly have something for everyone. And so this particular kit I think is really nice because it contains both a full size and also mini sizes, so you can travel with it. But this kit is really great for improving the shine in your hair, improving the softness and silkiness of your hair. These are just beautiful products. In terms of perfume, because I had to include a little bit of a fragrance in here, the Nest Discovery Set for $40 I think is an amazing value. All the Nest fragrances from what I have tried are so beautiful. They are so lovely. Each scent does smell unique, so it's not like one of those perfume sets where every single scent smells the same. They really smell different and really wonderful. I guarantee you can find something really nice that you like in there. I have to say that my favorites are Wisteria Blue and Indigo. Indigo I actually have a full size of and I have used, you know, for years now. But all the other scents in here are really beautiful as well. So this is a great gift idea because it has, you know, something for everyone. You could gift it to someone as like a whole kit, or you could break them up into stocking stuffers because I believe it comes with 8 roller balls, which is like quite a lot. Okay, this is not from Sephora, but I wanted to talk about it because I think it's a great gift idea for like a young girl. Silk scrunchies. I think they are super cute. They're so fun. Scrunchies are having a huge comeback right now, which I'm all about, but these in particular are made of silk, which is really nice for your hair because it doesn't tug at your hair or pull any hair out when you put your hair up. These particular scrunchies that I have are from MYK Silk. They actually sent these to me and I have really been loving them. They're so nice. They come in a variety of colors, so there are like lots of options for you to choose from. I personally have the like gray and purple set and I think they're really cute. Okay, now the next couple of products are from Ulta because I wanted to include Ulta because Ulta actually has really great sales around the holiday time, so keep an eye out for any discount codes or anything that come your way. But the Egg Cream Mask Hydration Set from Too Cool for School is my favorite sheet mask of all time. It's just super hydrating, super luxurious. It doesn't have a crazy amount of fragrance in it, so it doesn't irritate my skin at all. The ingredients just soak into your skin with such vigor. I freaking love it. I think sheet masks are a really nice kind of like self-care indulgent way to indulge in skincare. So just like the perfume set that I talked about, it comes with 5 masks. So you can either gift the entire set to someone or you can break it up into stocking stuffers and give someone each a mask. So this is actually on sale right now, which is really exciting because it used to be at $24, but now it's around $15. So that's like $3 a mask, which is really, really affordable. So yeah, highly recommend that mask for dry skin especially. I think it's going to be really a lifesaver if you are traveling and you have like really parched dry skin. You can just slap that mask on and let it do its magic, and you will have like really plump, hydrated, rich, juicy skin. And then the last thing that I wanted to talk about is a really beautiful, I keep saying the word beautiful, but that's just how I want to describe all these products because they are truly really beautifully formulated. This is a Philosophy Fresh Cream Body Lotion. I have been so in love with this body cream since probably my sophomore year of college, which was like 3 years ago. So I've been a ride or die user of this body cream since then. I didn't purchase it for a little bit, but I recently repurchased it and I absolutely love it. It just smells so good. It smells so good, you guys. Like, go to Ulta, smell the Fresh Cream Body Lotion. You will not be disappointed. It's like slightly sweet, very fresh. It just smells like fresh cream. I don't know how else to describe it. It has quite a lightweight formula, which I really appreciate because body butters can be like a bit too greasy for me personally. I don't love the texture of them necessarily, but a lightweight texture like this particular body lotion that very quickly absorbs into the skin and leaves behind a really nice, subtle, sweet scent, I think is very, very nice. It doesn't compete with my perfumes. I find that I can wear like perfumes layered on top of it. I'm a very like floral perfume type of gal. Think Chloe or like Mont-Guerlain. Those are like my go-to jams in the wintertime. The like florally type of perfume or even vanilla type of perfume like the Mont-Guerlain is, I think layers really nicely on top of this lotion. So I think it's a really nice gift to give to someone. Also, the bottle is huge. It's 7 ounces and it's only $20, which, you know, it's like kind of expensive for a lotion, but it's like a really nice indulgent gift to give to someone. So I do really highly recommend it. I hope my family is not watching this because I'm definitely going to be gifting some of these items to family members and some of my friends. So hopefully they're not watching this, but let me know in the comments down below what you're going to be gifting to your friends and family. I would love to know. I feel like around the holidays, there's just so many good value sets and gift kits and like, you know, different sizes and like mini sizes and jumbo sizes to give to people. So I just want to know what you're buying. So that's it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching and spending this time with me. Have a beautiful week and I will see you in my next video. Bye.